That's my Vietnamese potbelly pig. We had her for about 12 years. Harley was 8 weeks old when we brought him home. So it took a while for him to get used to the pig, but they kind of grew together, as you can see. And he's like that with all animals, which is perfect for as a service dog. Just getting him used to no distractions. But I'm working with him on the leash at home before we go out into public. And as you can see, it doesn't even face him that there's a pig sitting next to him. And then when I say here, as you can see right here, he, he comes to me and ready, Hardy, go. Get the ball. Good boy. Oh. Good job. Get it.